Halloween is approaching.
So, what we're gonna do is watch all the horrific clips from YouTube. Bear in mind, if it's from YouTube, it could be real, it could be fake.
Can I go home?
No, you can't, man.
Okay, let's do this.
You sure?
Over and done with.
You guys got your diapers on?
Shut up!
Alright, you're not gonna cover your face with this blankie, okay?
No.
Alright,
I want to go home.
here we go.
You live here. I give you a home.
I give you a home.
I give you a place to sleep.
What is that?
I have no idea.
Give you a place to clean your disgusting body.
Is this just a dirty house? Wait, is that body bag become... Is it bigger?
I let you be.
Did someone die here?
Hey!
You are ungrateful. You live
Is something crawling out?
here.
What
Oh, you
was
saw that?
that?
You saw that? You saw that?
What?
What
Did
was
you
that?
see that?
Someone
What was
closed the
that?
door?
Something just crawled
It
through
was like
the...
a cat or something.
Yeah, I think it was a cat, lah. Wait, I don't like lah.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh, that's like that thing that crawls down.
Okay lah. You hear that? Oh no, it's the sound. Sorry.
So it's just audio.
Yeah, it's just... Are you... What are you scratching?
My belly. When I watch like horror, I scratch my belly.
Why are you whispering?
He's licking his lips.
Mmm.
It's real or I don't understand
No
what
lah,
this.
it's
No
gotta be
lah.
just GIFs. Eh?
This is all from
It's from
movies and
movies.
stuff.
It's all
This
from
is from
movies. Ah!
What is that, man?
That... Oi!
Fake.
How do you know?
Because after she turned, the acting looks fake. How come there's sounds and gifs?
Yeah, what was that?
I'm just checking if anyone's behind us.
That was a pretty girl, though.
Huh? Don't play electricity. That's why? Huh? No light. Stupid.
Is there someone there?
Yeah. Focus lah, okay? This is 2019. Your camera is what year?
Of course, there's someone there.
Why are you whispering? It's your house.
Is he alone?
That's why.
And you still want to go see?
It's fake.
It's
no
fake.
one talks to themselves like that. Like, oh, let's go find out what's in the back.
So, how far did you go?
Tonight we're gonna sleep together.
No, not with you guys.
Happy Halloween. Shut up.
Fly FM, today's hottest music.